Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's gonna be around 2 years after my car stopped running because I decided to take it apart. If I could look back on that situation, I would say never take the thing apart, never try to replace the wire harness because it's been a 2-year ordeal. But today is the day that it's finally going to be back on the road. We're gonna go to Victoria, Texas, which is about 2 hours away, and we're gonna get it tuned. If you guys didn't see the last videos, I just installed ITBs with the new harness, so hopefully everything goes well. So if you guys didn't see last video, this is the setup. We got the pipe across filter, 100mm velocity stacks, we've got the silver top ITBs, SQ engineering, adapter. I went ahead and powder coated the top of the valve cover. Got the MRP little valley with coil and plug set up now. Yeah, so I pretty much did everything I wanted to do. The only thing that's left is for me to take out that breather and put a catch can probably over here. But everything else is done, so it's about time to get it tuned. I made sure to triple check everything, make sure everything's tightened, everything is secured. So AAA is gonna come today and they're gonna take it all the way up to Victoria. I have the premium AAA, so they can tow it up to 100 miles. I think it's 108, so I might have to pay some extra, but I don't think it should be too much. They're gonna be here in about maybe 30 minutes to an hour, so I'm gonna be sitting out here waiting on this rainy day. I was hoping it was gonna be sunny today so that the car won't be rained on. I have a couple of things that are unpainted and that might rust. Oh well, it's now or never. So I'm gonna start moving some of the stuff out the way. So when the tow truck driver comes, it'll be easy, and yeah, we should just be able to roll this baby out. So the tow truck driver came and picked up the car, and it's on its way there right now. Hopefully it gets there, because on the tracking app for AAA it says he's chilling at his house, but maybe he just lost connection or something. So we're gonna go to school real quick, take a test, and then we're on our way to the tuner. So we got out of the test. We got a 47 out of 50, so that's pretty good. And now we're on our way. It says we have like an hour and 45 minutes, so yeah. Alrighty guys, so we made it to Comp JLT in Victoria, Texas, and he's looking over all the paperwork, making sure everything's good, and then we're gonna get the tuning. Fingers crossed that nothing goes wrong. Hey guys, so this clip is like 2 months later. We figured out that the ITB adapter was the wrong one, so I had to get it towed all the way back to Austin, which is like a 2-hour drive, and now we're back here about 2 months later. I think I've got everything situated and everything good to go, so that this time I can drive it back. If I can't drive it back, that's gonna really suck, because I used AAA to get here and I have no way to get back. Hopefully in the next clip it's running and I can drive this baby home, and after 2 years of messing with this thing, it can finally work. But it's finally out of the garage, so I just want to show you guys what it looks like after 2 years of dust and debris on it. So yeah guys, the next clip is me getting it tuned, so I'll see you guys there. So this is the 3rd time at the tuner, and hopefully this time we got it right. Last time we had a couple problems. The CAN lambda for the link ECU wasn't connected properly, so the guy sent me a patch harness. The fan wasn't wired up. We got that wired up, and I put a fuse on the main power right here,
And that's all the things that I supposedly need to get this thing running today. Hopefully it does run today, because if it doesn't, my friend's car isn't running the best. It has a blinking check engine light, so I don't even know if we're gonna make it home. So hopefully we can take this home today and not have to tow it, because I don't think this car can tow anything right now. All right guys, so it's on the dyno, it's about to get tuned, and this is a moment of truth. Alright guys, so it's mostly done with tuning. We just got to sync the ITBs real quick, but it made 141 horsepower, and I'm good with that. I mean, it's an 80s Corolla, so I don't expect anything more than 141, and as long as it runs, I'll be fine. We're actually going to get gas because it ran out of gas on the dyno, so we'll get some of that, and then we got to take the ITBs apart so we can sync it, but other than that, it's good to go. And I hope you guys like the sound of the exhaust, because it was super loud. So we got the gas. Say hey, say hi, my friend Kaz. You might have seen him a while ago. But
years ago. Yeah, put me in, I'm bad at finding my home.
Damn, bro. Here, I'll hold it up. Got a lot of tie downs for a 141 horsepower car. Better to be safe than sorry though. Even more up here. Alrighty guys, so we're on the way back from the tuner, and it is a damn good day. The car works and the sunset is beautiful. This is a mood right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of got cut a little short. I'm having a small issue with oil leak coming from the oil pressure sensor, so I'm gonna get that fixed before I do any driving videos or any more of it running. But if you guys did like the tune and want to see more of this build, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment if you'd like and join the Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.